Clickbank for beginners, how to make money on Clickbank. This is a simple Clickbank earning strategy and these are the things that I will cover in this video. Clickbank introduction, how does this strategy work, where to find free ebook, how to set up your funnel and how to market your affiliate product. Before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. For earning a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, then I have mentioned the link in the description box. You can use that link and start your journey from today. So let's move to our first slide, that is Clickbank introduction. If you move to clickbank.com, then Clickbank is actually an affiliate marketplace and it is the world's largest digital affiliate marketplace. All you need is to create your account, and after creating your account you can just start promoting Clickbank product for money. Just click on create account, provide your required information. It hardly takes you a few minutes. After creating your account, just move to the affiliate marketplace. You can see that there are a lot of categories out there, but for the sake of this video I am just moving to cooking and food niche. You can see that these are the products that are included in the cooking and food niche. Just sort those products using gravity. Gravity is the number which tells us that how many affiliates are making money after selling that product. Keto Resources has a gravity of 196. It means that 196 affiliates are making money after selling that particular product. It also offers an affiliate commission, average affiliate commission of $23. So that's a decent commission. For selecting a product, I recommend you, it should have a gravity of at least 50, and it also offers you a decent commission. At least $20, $25 or $30, it all depends upon your selection. So once you select a product, let's move to our next slide, that is how does this strategy work. If I show you a diagrammatic representation of this strategy, then this is your landing page and you are actually driving traffic to your landing page offering an incentive of free book. So once you offer an incentive free book to your traffic, definitely those visitors will move to your landing page, and your landing page has embedded a free ebook, and in order to get that ebook, those visitors will provide their name and email address. So that lead generation form is connected to the autoresponder. So once they provide their name and email address, that information will be stored in the autoresponder. And once they click on that button and provide the name and email address, they will then get the free ebook report and they will then move to our affiliate offer page. Affiliate offer is a page that is, Keto Resources page. Just click on promote, just generate hop links, and you can get your affiliate link, and that affiliate link will be added into your that button. So once they click on that button, they will be taken to your affiliate offer page, and once they buy that product using your affiliate link, you will earn affiliate commission. In autoresponder, you have already set up a 40 days email series, and once your autoresponder will start receiving those email addresses, then that autoresponder will start sending emails one by one on a daily basis. So at one hand, we are sending our traffic directly to our affiliate offer page after visiting to the landing page. So we will get conversions after traffic moving from that landing page to the affiliate offer page. But majority of our conversion comes from that autoresponder. So when that autoresponder sends our email to our visitor, so that email will include our affiliate link of that Keto Resources. So once people read those emails that include valuable information, so there is a chance that those people started to convert after a few days. So that's how we can make money using this strategy. Now let's move to our third step, that is where to find free ebook. I'm showing you a platform here that is known as TradeBit. Just search for keto diet. You will come up with different products. Just choose any product. It will cost you money like $3.95, $5.95, nearly $8. So if you wanted to write your own, you can do that, or if you wanted to write from the Fiverr, you can also do that. I am just guiding you TradeBit. It is a very popular platform. Just click on download. and you can just add to your cart, and you can read the introduction about what is included in the book. And after buying that book, you can add that ebook into your landing page. For the purpose of this video, this is a landing page. I have just created this simple landing page for you. I have already shown you how to create different landing pages. If you just move to my videos how to create a landing page, then you get to know that how I have created this landing page. I am using a plugin that is known as Thrive Architect. It offers you numerous landing pages templates, and you can use anyone that you like. So just write a catchy title, include your ebook, and this is your lead generation box. So people, in order to get that ebook, they will provide you name and email address, and that lead generation box or opt-in form is connected to your autoresponder. I have already set up this funnel in my previous videos, so just move to my previous video. I will also share it in the description section, so just you can move to these videos to see how you can set up all this funnel. Let's move to our next slide, that is how to set up your funnel. As I have already told you that in the previous videos, I have created how to set up your funnel. So just move to those videos. I will also share that link in the description box for your ease. Just watch that video in which I have shown you how you can create or set up your whole funnel, like creating a landing page, how to connect your lead generation box with your autoresponder, which autoresponder to choose. For landing page, I am currently using Thrive Architect. For autoresponder, I am using getresponse.com. These are the things that you require for creating your funnel. You need to set up this once, and once you have set up this funnel, all you need is to drive traffic to that landing page, which is our next step, that is how to market your affiliate product. Now you have set up all of your funnel, it's time to start promoting your product. How you can market your product? I recommend you to move to the facebook.com and search for keto diet. If you search for keto diets, you will see different types of options. Just click on groups. You will find lot of groups that are related to the keto resources. Just look at this first group, keto for beginners. 1.3 million members and 10 plus posts a day. So you can imagine that there are millions of members and it is really active. All you need is to join these groups one by one. I recommend you to join as much as possible, and these are really active groups, over million members and 29,000 members and 19,000 members. So all groups are really active. All you need is to join these different groups and interact with the community, like providing solution to different problems, and do not share your link until now. So once you have spent your 7 to 10 days, then after that you can just share a post like hi, I have reduced my belly fat 25 pounds in last 30 days using keto resources. So if you wanted to get the detailed insight, just comment sure in the comment box. So if anyone types sure in the comment box, you can just connect with these people and send your landing page link. So once they click on that link, they will move to your landing page. That's how you can generate traffic. You can use any template you want, like you can share a post related to your story, or you can share something else or something your friend's story, and anything that you want you can share in your post. And once you are engaging with those audience, they will start getting trust on you, and once you have built a trust, they will definitely contact you, and all you need is to share your landing page link. And once they move your landing page, they will definitely look for the free ebook. They will provide their name, email, and they want get access to that ebook. So once they provide you ebook, you will send that traffic to your direct affiliate offer page, and your autoresponder will also include a 14 days email series that include your affiliate link. So there is a chance that you will get massive conversion using this strategy. I am using this strategy. I have seen people are using this strategy and they are getting some great results. I hope this is the video that can make you start your first $1,000, and it's a great way to start your journey with the Clickbank. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.